Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You clicked on the Weather Now link. We've made it to Friday, one of the coolest days of the summer season. The highs today only topping out in the lower 70s, and here's the reason why. We're looking at pictures down at EASTON'S Beach in Newport as of 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You can look by the flag, and you can tell that we got the wind off the water, cloud cover, so lack of sunshine, had some showers this morning. All those ingredients keeping the temperatures today that topped out only in the lower 70s. The average high is 83, but most areas coming in between roughly 72 and 75 this afternoon. But boy, we are talking about a huge temperature turnaround beginning this weekend. We have heat on the way for Saturday, Sunday, and it will extend into early next week through at least Monday and into Tuesday. So here's the deal. The humidity is back. Even though it was a cool day today, the moisture content has increased. It's muggy out there. And more than likely, we do have a heat wave for some on the way over the next several days, but it would be more of an inland heat wave. In other words, quite simply, the hottest temperatures over the next several days would be areas away from the beaches and away from the coastline with highs of 90 or slightly higher Saturday through Tuesday. And, naturally during hot weather, well, we go to the beach. So the beaches will be about 10 degrees cooler right near the water. Now, by definition, a heat wave is 3 consecutive days of 90 or higher. And inland areas away from the ocean will meet that criteria over the next several days. So more than likely the season's first heat wave is on the way. And we talk about not just the heat, but the humidity, and that's on the rise right now, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, actually peaking in the Sunday-Monday time frame. While all 4 of those days are hot and humid, I would give the edge to Sunday and Monday as far as the higher heat and the higher humidity. But bottom line, blast of summer is making a return. Satellite and radar composite shows the cloud cover on top of us. Head this evening, if you have plans to be out on your Friday evening, maybe outdoor dinner plans, I don't really see much in the way of rain. Most of this is pushing offshore. I mean, slight chance of a shower this evening, but by no means don't look for any a rainy night tonight. Temperatures will hold steady in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Here's the wider view, and you can see some drier air, clear skies off to our west, right back in here. And this will be working in during the overnight and through Saturday. So we've got some hot sunshine on the way. We'll get in real close. So we're going to walk you through it hour by hour, starting off this evening at 7 o'clock. Now, you see some showers out in the Connecticut, out towards eastern Connecticut at 7 o'clock. I think these are more or less going to fizzle out by the time they try to approach here between 8 and 10 o'clock. So outside chance of a shower this evening. I just think most of the evening and overnight is rain-free. And you can see, take you through to tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., starting off in the upper 60s. Any fog along the coastline early should burn off rapidly, and then it's off to the races as far as heating things up. And you can see inland temperatures are approaching the upper 80s to lower 90s by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, the beaches are warm and humid, but notice the wind. It's coming in right off the water, so it's more like the lower 80s at the beaches. Still warm, but nothing like some of the heat that'll be found across inland areas. And even as late as 6 o'clock in the evening on Saturday, inland spots are still close to 90. The beaches, by 6 o'clock in the evening are actually cooling back into the upper 70s. And then a warm, humid night with temperatures on Saturday night that'll stay in the 70s really all night long. So kind of air conditioner weather. For this evening, mostly cloudy and humid, a little fog near the coastline later at night. Slight chance of a shower. I just don't really see much in the way of rain. Here we are Saturday morning. A little bit of coastal fog early, otherwise burning off to some sunshine. And watch how rapidly the temperature goes up from 69 at 6 a.m. but to 85 by 11 a.m. And we're approaching 90 by mid-afternoon on Saturday, and about, I would say, 10 degrees cooler, but still very warm along the coastline. And again, the heat continues. In fact, even hotter, more humid on Sunday, and that'll extend into Monday and into Tuesday of next week. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.